Hi, I'm Christina. I'm a respiratory therapist with Nationwide Medical, and this is the AirSense 10. It comes in this nice carrying case. Here's your machine and humidifier chamber, which goes right here on the side. It's a nice, lightweight, compact machine. Under this compartment is your power cord, and it comes in two parts. You're going to be plugging this end into here. This one goes to an outlet. This one goes to the back of the machine and plugs in here. Under this zipper is your tubing. If you were sent heated tubing, it has a connection here for the heat. That's very important to connect into this port here. And it locks in place, and you can turn it any direction you'd like. To remove this tube, you're going to squeeze these tabs and pull. On this side of the machine, under this vented door, is your filter. There's a little notch here in this door, so you can pop it open on its hinge, remove the disposable filter every 2 weeks, and replace with a fresh one. To start your machine, you simply press this button on the top, and it turns on. Everything from there will be automatic, as your pressure has already been set. To turn your machine off, simply touch it again anywhere on that top button. Your water chamber for humidification is right here on the side. To remove it, you just pull straight out. And to open it, you're going to find the little arrow, and it just pops open on its hinge. We recommend distilled water, which you're going to pour directly in. And don't go past this max fill line, because it could spill into your machine. In the morning, you should empty the water out from the night before and let this air dry for the day. Always put fresh water in each night. And when you replace this for use, make sure it's pressed all the way in so there are no gaps, which can cause a leak. There are comfort settings that are within your control under My Options on the navigation screen of your machine. There is a knob here that you're going to use to access My Options. Once it's been highlighted in blue, you can press this knob in. And for instance, if you want to change your humidity output, you're going to scroll down to climate control. If it's set to auto and you want to change it to manual and change it, you can press that knob in and change it off the auto mode where the machine is controlling the humidity output. Scroll to manual and press this knob in to change it to the manual setting. You're going to scroll down to humidity level and again press this knob in. You can turn your humidity off by going to the off option, or you can increase it all the way up as high as 8. Once you're happy with that setting, which is a personal preference, you're going to press the knob in again to lock that number in. Now your humidity level is set at 3. Another thing that you can change is your ramp time. Ramp is the amount of time it takes the machine to climb from its lowest setting of 4 up to your prescription setting, and that is for your comfort to fall asleep at a lower setting. So most people are happy with around 20 to 30 minutes, but if you need to change yours, you're going to highlight ramp time, press the knob in, and you can increase it as high as 45 minutes. And you can also turn it to off if you don't need that feature any longer for your comfort. Again, you're going to press this in to lock that number in. And when you're ready to exit this screen, you can scroll up to home and press again to exit. The other thing you can do is hit the home button here to exit the home screen. Sleep report is another option on the navigation screen that you can scroll and highlight and press this knob to enter. It will show you the hours of usage from the night before, And it will also show you a green happy face, for instance, if your mask was sealed well. If you had a high leak, it will show you a red sad face. If your humidifier malfunctions, it will also show you a red sad face to alert you. And again, you can hit the home button to exit, or you can highlight home and press that knob to exit back to the home screen. There is an app by ResMed that you can download to your smartphone called My Air. We highly recommend you get this to track your sleep health. You can see your own data through this app, which will show you the hours of usage of your machine, if you're having any apneic events, and it will even show you if your mask is leaking and how to correct it. The AirSense 10 is a great machine and is very user-friendly. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.